Every hip dip shapes more than your core. Plank side hip dips target your obliques, lower abs, and stabilizing muscles. Set up in a strong side plank, straight arm under your shoulder, body in one line. Lower your hip toward the floor, then lift and squeeze at the top. Keep it controlled and no rushing. You can also do this variation in a side plank on your forearms. 25 reps each side, steady and controlled. Feel the tension, own the movement. Your core blueprint grows stronger with every dip.